Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a study plan for Nclex, easy method. Start by taking a timed practice exam to find your baseline strengths and weaknesses, then set a clear target score and realistic timeline. Break the timeline into weekly milestones and daily study blocks. Prioritize high-yield topics and balance content review with practice questions. Schedule regular review sessions and simulated exams to track progress and adjust your plan. Build a daily routine that fits your energy and schedule, aiming for focused 90 to 120-minute study blocks with short breaks. Start each block with a 5-minute review of flashcards or notes, then dive into content or practice questions. Mix in 50 to 75 Nclex-style questions and review rationales thoroughly. End with a quick summary and plan the next session to reinforce weak areas and measure improvement. Plan your weeks around systems and skills, dedicating specific days to topics like cardiovascular, endocrine, and pharmacology. Reserve one day for mixed practice and one for a full-length simulated Nclex exam to build test day stamina. Track performance by question category and adjust the next week's priorities accordingly. Include active review days for flashcards and missed questions so weak areas receive repeated exposure and steady improvement.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.